only person. When you have a side part, your head automatically goes like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Megalook hair. They sent me over this wig and they sent it over like a long time ago, but I never got a chance to actually style it. So imagine, it's been in the packaging for mad long and they pre-styled this hair. So I did not even have to do anything, but I wanted to just touch up the front curl. And this is how the hair turned out. Everything is basically made for you already. They already parted, style it, everything. So I feel like for my beginners, if you're interested in getting a colored wig that's already styled for you and you don't know how to style your wig or nothing like that, I recommend that you try out this wig. It's definitely super simple. So you guys are gonna see me do that today and you can follow along with me while I'm doing it. So this is Megalook hair. I did show you guys what's in the packaging like when the video starts. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
before. No, who's not around to share and now they go around with me. Long ago, where'd they go? No, no, tell me what to do when the ones you love have gone missing. My God, I lost you at the corner. Oh God, I lost you in the moment. Why now and not till it's too later? Tell me how the world seems to get so long without you, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how to keep my world moving on without you, yeah. Yeah, yeah. How can my world be much better off without you? You on the inside looking now. Wanna take a life and they can't get back home. Mom stays crying for the both of them, holding on to pictures cause she can't hold either you, either you. My God, you took him at the corner.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. If you are following along with me while I install the wig, comment down below and let me know if this video really helped you, or even if you look at the video and now you feel motivated to go put your wig on, let me know if I helped you out a bit. I did not use no glue today and this is how it looks. The lace is super beautiful, so it's easy for you to blend. I did not bleach the wig or anything. I took it straight out the packaging and put it on my hair, on my head. So yeah, all I did was just touch up some of the curls in the front, but that was it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to check out Megalook hair. I will have the links in my description box like I told you before, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.